Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to deposit or withdraw funds easily from Binance? Here's how to link your bank account in under a minute. First of all, open your Binance app or website, then log in. Tap Assets section from the right side corner for app or website from the left panel. Then go to Funding or Fiat or Spot. Tap Deposit or Withdraw. Choose your local currency or P2P trading. You can also choose the spot or withdraw and uh, deposit fiat, then continue. Now enter amount like that, then select payment method, then select bank transfer as the payment method. Enter your bank account details, name, account number, etc. Follow the prompts to verify and link. Once verified, your bank is linked and ready for smooth deposits and withdrawals. Thanks for watching.